What's up everybody, it's Andrew Cuts here, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can take a week-old haircut as you see here and revive it, make it fresh again as you see here. This is really easy to do. There's really not too many steps to it. It won't take you too much time at all, so let's get into it. Alright, so to start out this cut here, I got my Andis master. I got the lever all the way closed and I'm just making a line pretty much up to almost the top of my ear, stopping just below the top of my ear. Now I have my trimmers. I'm just making that area shorter so we can prepare it to bald it out with the foil shavers. If you don't have a trimmer or you don't have a foil, that's okay. You can just skip that step. Just use your clippers, get them as close as you can. So now that we got everything balded out, the sideburn area, we're going to begin fading up into the haircut that we already had. So there was a slight line right around my ear that we had made. So I'm starting with the lever closed, flicking up a little bit. And then I'm going halfway, flicking up a little bit more, and then finally I'm opening the clipper up all the way and just fading that line out the rest of the way. So as you can see, I'm doing the same thing here. You see that line, and we're just beginning to fade it out. Starting with lever closed, and we go halfway again, and then we go lever all the way open, just to blend everything out the rest of the way. Now, depending on how long your hair is, how fast it grows, you might have to go an extra step here, throw on a 1 guard, and just continue fading up until everything's blended. But my hair was still pretty short on the side, so I was able to get away with just doing the clipper with no guard. So as you can see here, I'm just fading my beard down. If you don't have a beard, obviously you don't have to worry about this. I'm going to do a video where I go more in depth with how I fade my beard. Basically, this is just a little recap. If you do have a beard, I would definitely recommend keeping it clean, keeping the edges clean, fading it down, because it just adds to the overall look of the haircut. So as you can see here, things are just looking a lot better overall, a lot more clean. If you go ahead and cover up the beard and just focus on that sideburn area, you can definitely see the difference. It just gives the hair a whole new look, revives the previous fade that you had before. And essentially what we've done is we've given ourselves a taper fade. We used the fade that we previously had as a foundation, and then we just faded back up into it. So as you can see, this is our week-old haircut, looking real messy, not neat at all. Then this is the finished product. As you can see, it just gives the hair a whole new look. It's fresh again. You can go out and look like you have a fresh haircut. And it really doesn't take much time at all. I mean, I had to do, obviously, fade up into my hair, and then I had to fade down into my beard. And honestly, if I wasn't doing a video, I was just doing this cut straight up, it probably would have taken me max 10 minutes. So if you don't have a beard, you're just fading in your haircut, you can do this in 5 minutes or less, depending on how much experience you have. But it's really hard to mess up. There's really not much to it. And then this is another great thing. Say you want to wear your hood up or wear a hat. That's the only thing that's going to be showing is that area that we just worked on. So it's really going to give that illusion that you have a total fade, when in reality all we did was really fade out those sideburns. So let me know what you guys think. This is a hack that I use all the time. I think we've all been in that situation where you might get a fade and then a week later it's all grown back in, but obviously you want to still look fresh without getting an entire new haircut. So this is just a great way to stay fresh in between haircuts. Try it out. I think now is a great time to either try cutting your own hair or just practice, get better at it. With this whole coronavirus thing, many people are just in their house, not really being seen by too many people other than close family and friends. So give it a try. Be sure to watch some of my other videos on some tutorials on how to cut your own hair. And if you like this video, please leave a like. Make sure you're subscribed and let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like to see.